I'm talking about the work-life mindfulness. So I'm talking about how to survive in the very difficult, chaotic environment with the clarity, focus and relaxation. And I'm talking about how you can actually develop that in the mid of the busy work life. I think that the future leadership, we are facing quite a big challenges in the future, and we need something else that has been used so far. So staying focused and aware is a necessity. You need it really. And in addition for that, you need to be selfless, not to be a doormat, but to be selfless, and you need a lot of compassion.